Days after the Karnataka Assembly passed a bill providing Muslim quota in government contracts, the battle over reservation has reached Parliament. There were uproar in the House as Union ministers took up comments made by Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar on the quota at an event. The Treasury benches claimed Shivakumar had stated that the constitution will change to accommodate the quota.
ये लोग बड़े संविधान के रक्षक बनते हैं और ये लोग संविधान की रक्षा करने की बात सारे देश को बताते हैं, ढोल पीटते हैं, वो संविधान की धज्जियां उड़ाते हैं, ये इसके लिए हम रोज करते हैं. I want that such laws and rules should be withdrawn and discussion should take place.
देश का संविधान जो डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर ने बनाया वो कोई बदल नहीं सकता. रिजर्वेशन भी कोई खत्म नहीं कर सकता. ये भारत तोड़ो करने वाले ये सब रिजर्वेशन के धज्जे उड़ाने वाले लोग हैं.
The uproar wasn't limited to Rajya Sabha. The Lok Sabha also witnessed disruptions.
मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी से कहना चाहता हूं, आप अपना पोजीशन क्लियर करो. अगर आप मानते हैं, अगर आप बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर का संविधान को मानते हैं, तो आपके वो संवैधानिक पद पर बैठ करके जो आज ये बयान दिया है उसको तुरंत बर्खास्त करो और अपना पद को उसको हाथ छीन लो उससे.
Following the backlash, the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister claimed that his remarks were taken out of context.
On the basis of the backward class, what is in my state, on that basis, my government has taken a call. People have gone to the court and courts have given various judgments. That is why I said after various judgments, the constitutions will have to have changed earlier.
The Congress has moved privilege motion against Union Ministers JP Nadda and Kiran Rijiju. The BJP Congress face-off extended beyond Parliament.
जब रिलीजन बेस्ड रिजर्वेशन परमिसिबल नहीं है तो इसके लिए आप संविधान को नहीं बदलेंगे. ये देश जानना चाहता है, क्योंकि डीके शिवकुमार एक शुरुआत है. कांग्रेस पार्टी का हिडन एजेंडा है कि संविधान को बदलेंगे वोट के लिए.
A decision by a state government in a particular state within the laws of that state and within the reservation categories of that state has nothing to do with the central parliament. Why are they trying to disrupt the house on the basis of that?
The quota for minorities, including Muslims, in government contracts has become hot political issue in Karnataka. The BJP has described it as reservation based on religion, while the Congress calls it a move aimed at social justice. The fight is not over yet. The bill now needs the approval of the governor.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.